Now we are going to discuss about the characteristics of synthetic fiber. I hope you got many points regarding this synthetic fibers, that how they are cheaper than natural fibers. So we are going to start with that. These fibers are cheaper than natural fiber. Natural fiber हमारे पास कौन सा था? There is a cotton fiber. That is when we are going to discuss about the comparison between the synthetic fiber or natural fiber, which one is cheaper? That is, synthetic fibers are cheaper than the natural fiber. These are stronger than the natural fibers, that we discussed in the previous activity, where we took the different type of fiber like cotton or the nylon or the silk, and we discussed which one is stronger. So the order was nylon is stronger, then silk, then wool, then cotton. So these fibers are very stronger. These are more durable. ज़्यादा टाइम पीरियड के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम इनको. They dried up easily because they are not able to soak much water. They are not able to soak sweat. So which type of clothes you want to wear in summer season? Synthetic or cotton? Yes. What would be your answer? I hope your answer is cotton fiber, because it is going to absorb sweat easily. These are easy to maintain and wash. They are having great elasticity, flexibility. They are wrinkle free, and they are also having the more strength. I discussed with you. So these are the various points regarding the characteristics of synthetic fiber. And you can also write one important question: difference between synthetic and natural fiber. Can you write the difference between these two? I hope so you can write. Disadvantages of the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers melts on heating, so we should not wear synthetic clothes while working in kitchen, or when we are near any fire, or we are working in any laboratory. So we should avoid wearing synthetic clothes when we are at certain places, because these fibers melt on heating. They are catching fire very easily. So this fabric is going to melt, and it is going to stick to your body also, and it can cause burn also. So the very important question: why shouldn't we wear the synthetic clothes while working in kitchen, or when we are burning any crackers? So why should we avoid them? The reason is this.